This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd. Years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hey,
DVDs!
you want food?
Every DVD you want, right here!
You! Come buy groceries!
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
You want good clothes for less? I got special deals.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Very hard to have a social life when we have dinner with my parents.
Need anything? Just come ask.
Hey, come on in. I got special deals for you.
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man.
I got good ice cream here.
Hey, you want
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
Do that. Okay, I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But Dog Eye won't be happy.
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. We'll just have to drink through a straw. We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These jerks are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Show what you're made of! Oh man, this isn't good. What kind of protection is this? Keep that punk.
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
Come on.
大佬，唔好殺我啊！
你冇攞籌啊！
You don't fuck with anyone under our protection. You go tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
You want cheap? I got it!
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here, people need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. People gotta know you're successful.
I got everything, man!
Come, look. I fixed you up. That will be fine. Thanks. Come again. Come again. Thank you.
Let's get back to Winston.
Serious?
Hey, you want a little refreshment? I got good ice cream here.
Ice, real meat.
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
You want to tell her what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie! You're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
Hey, you want a little refreshment? I got good
全
ice
港
cream
最
here.
平，全港最平，第度保證揾唔到。我等咗6日嘅價錢，名牌嘅質素，買完就冇，一送一，前所未有咁。
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcement. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Yeah.
咪執輸啦，最後一送一，前所未有白着數啊！
Yes, I know what you mean.
Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes?
Hey, you want food?
Hey, you want movies? You want music? You want games?
You want good chassis?
Noodles! 2 for 1!
Serve it up.
I put in more noodles just for you.
You want bao? You gotta have bao.
Hey, you! You hungry, huh? Come here! Is the new guy around?
你冇入定打你啊！你啊！搶啊你！我自己都驚啊！你想收我皮？哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇！哇！哇！嚇撚死我啊！哇！嚇撚死我啊！花馬走啦！我打電話啦，唔係一隻冇手撳啊！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇 ！This is not good at all. Please, I'll pay you. I'll make some money. 睇住你啊！你個撚樣，有種你攞撚閃！哇！哇！睇個妖啊！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇！你夠我抽咩？哇！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？埋嚟緊，埋嚟緊！仆街死撚緊啊！好啊！我揸到行下
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Damn! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? I take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Gatan is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
第次啊，放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食飯多過你食米啦，我知道係啱嘅。
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！
識尊重人，我從來唔聽人講。
廢話，你啲廢話邊人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁對我，鬼同你死啊！
你認衰晒你嗰個人啊！
冇時間俾你咁嘢啊
Hey, need clothes? Need a suit?
Noodles, come!
Hey,
You want DVDs? Every DVD you want right here.
Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, sexy man, you want
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me.
Nice supple fish, very firm.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇？我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you!
You want ice cream? You look like you could use a little.
You want clothes? I got styling clothes.
Get out of the fucking way, moron!
啲咁嘅事啊！
Out of my way!
Coming through!
Oh, fuck!
Oh, shit!
Don't do this!
Hey, you want a new shirt?
You could use a new shirt, man.
濕陣嘅價錢，名牌嘅質素，賣完就冇。
Watch where you go！你老味阻撚住晒。
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed!
咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命。
放手啊
Fucking bitch!
你俾我睇㗎。
哇！屌啊！嚟啊！瞄準！
Do this to you! Kill him!
仲有得靠樣揾食啊！ 求你唔好殺我啊！
Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 丟你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd!
殺你咯！
好玩咩？哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇！
哇！嚇死我！
你睇唔睇到啊？ Kill him! Somebody fucking kill him, please! 哇！你睇唔睇到啊？
哇！屌啊！
殺緊我手中鳩嚟㗎 I'm gonna kill you！ 殺你個仆街！ Dog guy's gonna kill you!
Fuck dog guys! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, but please, make sure Dog Guys doesn't kill me.
睇人，咪走啊！咪喐，放低。
Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. You know, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. You know, I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir?
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
protocol...
protocol...
For God's sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.